So here I have the turtle neck pillow, and this is a new one I've just bought, but I've actually been using one while traveling for the past couple years, and I've just bought it again because I really like it. I just lost my old one and replaced it with a new one, which is why I'm now sharing this review. Now, when I first got it, I was surprised at how good it actually is, because it doesn't look like the traditional neck pillows that you've seen that loop round and stay there. But this is way better for a few reasons. Now, firstly, it's a lot more portable. I can just slip it down into the side of my backpack, and still the bendiness, the support doesn't, that's how it slots in, by the way, and then the scarf will wrap around you. But the bendiness doesn't get compromised by putting into your backpack. It's still, the internal bracket stays strong, and it's a lot more portable than the other traditional big neck pillows. So for me, I was able to keep it in my backpack for a few years while traveling around. You can see the turtle branding there. So all you do, undo it with the Velcro like so. There you go. Slot it in whichever side you want to sleep on, and then it wraps around like this. You don't need it too tight, it will still give you the support. Just connect it like that, and it's a nice little warm blanket to lean on and fall asleep. Yeah, it's very comfortable and very easy to use. But I think the key selling point for me is the portability and the fact that I can just take it with me everywhere. I don't think you can do that with the big neck pillows, or at least it's cumbersome. This is a lot easier to transport. It only weighs half a pound or 148 grams, and it's easily attachable to your backpack, or you can put it inside. Now, if it gets dirty, it's also machine washable, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, I've used this for a couple years, and that's why I'm recommending it today.